Hitachi Data Systems recently announced an exciting new technology called continuous cloud infrastructure. Well, here to tell me a little bit more is Bob Plumridge, who is Chief Technical Officer for Hitachi Data Systems for Europe, Middle East and Africa. Hello to you.
Good morning.
So what led you to develop this?
So really the continuous cloud infrastructure foundation has really come about through customer demand. As we all know, we live in an increasingly online world where we all expect access to all of our data, whether it's our bank account or a Facebook account or a Twitter account on a seven days a week, 24 hours a day. And of course the service providers want to be able to provide that service to us in order to be able to grow and mature their businesses. So that's really where the driving force has come from for this.
Now, what's different about these HDS new products and how do they achieve continuous cloud infrastructure?
So I think that's a very good question. I mean, one of the problems has always been access to the data, which is obviously the crown jewels of any organisation today. And one of the problems is if you have a major site failure, then that can often lead to loss of access to the data. So what we're able to do with what we call global active devices and clustered storage subsystems is make sure that there's always two online copies of any data in two different locations that the business needs to access, so they can provide this 24 hours a day, 7 day a week access.
Now, what does this new foundation mean to channel partners?
Well, I think it's very significant for channel partners because channel partners often have very close and detailed contact with the end customers and our end users. So they'll be able to offer these new products and services directly to those partners and to those end customers.
Now, the Hitachi virtual storage platform is the current market leader for enterprise partners, but your new product, the VSP G1000, how is that different?
So yes, the G1000 replaces the virtual storage platform, which, as you say, has been market leading now for the last 4 years. There's some significant enhancements here. I've already mentioned active ability and global devices. We also introduced the concept of virtual storage machines. These virtual storage machines will effectively live forever. They will provide the ability to migrate data between platforms, between locations, completely non-disruptively, which obviously is extremely important to businesses. One of the other significant changes is the increase in performance that we're able to deliver. The virtual storage platform has been capable of delivering about 1 million what we call IOPS per second. The VSP G1000 increases that to over 3 million IOPS per second, which is very significant for most businesses because performance is often key. You and I don't want to spend 5 minutes standing at an ATM while we're trying to withdraw some money. So the ability to be able to provide that data, analyse that data and provide that service much quicker is becoming absolutely key to a lot of these businesses.
Well, Bob Plumridge, thank you very much.
And thank you.